name is Shamika Raoot and I am studying in grade 10th Achievers of AKSHARA International School. Today I am going to show you my integrated arts project of chemistry. Now the topic is role of technology in chemistry. The innovative products in chemistry has led to technological advancements in various fields. For example, in computing, the touch screens of various devices like of ATM machines, mobiles, televisions, even iPads. Now the next field could be transportation, like in automobiles, aerospace. Let me be a little specific by giving you an example of Boeing. Boeing uses a lightweight carbon particles which uses to reduce the weight and even increase the fuel efficiency. Now in healthcare, the chemical drugs which have been a lifesaver from paracetamol to chemotherapy. Now the next one could be medical equipment like sanitizer, which has been of use a lot in this pandemic situation, and even in chemical tests, which gives the blood record like the sugar level and all in maximum 6 seconds. That's amazing. Spot something common over here. Yes, plastics. Now you might have thought that while speaking about computing, I was speaking about glass like the touch screens, and we all feel that it is made up of glass, but we all are wrong because it is not made up of glass, it is made up of advanced plastics. Even the transportation, like I spoke about the aerospace, automobiles, these are not made up of steel, it is advanced plastic. And while coming to the topic of healthcare, when I spoke about medical equipments, I was like the shielding effect face shield mask which we use in this pandemic situation is 100% efficient, whereas even the N95 mask is only 95% efficient, which is 5% of the chances there that you can get coronavirus. But now, what is plastic? We have always thought plastic as a negative role. Like we always keep thinking plastic to be a polythene bag. But there is more beyond it. Plastic is nothing but polymers. Now what is polymers? A polymer may be a natural or synthetic macromolecules comprised of repeating units of small molecules, which is monomers. Now the question arises, what is a monomer? Now monomers are not just building blocks of polymers, but they have their own importance as well. For example, the most abundant monomer, natural monomer, is glucose. Now, are all the monomers capable of becoming polymers? No. Because, for example, we can see that water is a monomer, but it cannot be converted into a polymer. Water is nothing but two hydrogen atoms combining with one oxygen atom, but it cannot be formed as a polymer. This is a model of ethylene. You can see there are two balls in middle which are of yellow color, which represent carbon. Now both the carbon atoms are attached via each other via double bond, and the other yellow color balls which are like footballs act like hydrogen and are combined via single bond. Now the composition of this ethylene is C2H4. Over here we can see that C2H4 can combine with more monomers to become a polymer. Now let me explain you in a simpler way. This is an iron scale. Now it is heavy, more costly, and the chances of someone getting hurt is also more. But this is a plastic scale, and this is low weight, less, and chances of someone getting hurt is also less. But this is a plastic scale, and something wonderful, it can even bend. Now this is how the plastic variations also occur. Now by the example that I have given, I have tried to tell you that there are various types of plastics which depends on the chemical bonding it has with the other monomers to form the polymer. Now, one of the most widely used plastic form is polystyrene. Now, it is one of the most most widely used synthetic polymer in the world. It is commonly used in plastic forms of cars, aeroplanes. Now, this is how a structure of one monomer of polystyrene looks like. Now, expanded polystyrene is called thermocol. Over here we can see that there are spaces between it and it looks like hexagons, which is how it is represented. Now, coming to the previous topic which I was talking, that is plastics in automobiles. Now, today's plastic is used around 50%, which is used in the cars or aeroplanes or in any other devices which is used for transportation. It has reduced the weight a lot and the fuel efficiency has increased a lot. Thus, and it has even increased it, making it safer for the people to journey in it. Thus, we have seen that this situation is a win-win situation. Thank you.